Hello, it's Kai from Medica. This video, I will introduce you our new member of patient transport stretcher. It's easy for you to identify with the special color and the perfect design. This patient transport stretcher is designed with comprehensive consideration of smart handling, patient safety, and easy transportation. The functions of this stretcher for the height adjustment, Trendelenburg and reverse Trendelenburg, is operated from both sides by the foot pedal. And Trendelenburg reverse Trendelenburg. And if you step on your foot on the two pedals together, and you can lower the stretcher. And you can see all the operation for the height adjustment, and it's effortless. Now let me introduce you the operation to lock and unlock the stretcher. And the stretcher is centralized brake. The foot pedal to lock and unlock the stretcher is located on the both ends. So you don't have to go around to the other end. The red pedal is to lock and the green pedal is to unlock. And the stretcher is equipped with a big caster with a diameter of 200 millimeters. So it has excellent transportation features. Easy transportation and manipulation is a great advantage for this stretcher. This is the fifth wheel for the direction. And if you step on the red, and then the fifth wheel will be functional. And we have, as you can see, we have a 4 pushing handle located on the 4 corners of the stretcher. And actually this is integrated IV stand, but it also can be used as a pushing handle and can be folded down. And the height can be adjusted for the IV purpose. And you can push the stretcher to any direction you need without going a zigzag way. Even you can penetrate the narrow corridor. And from this end, you can operate it the same. With the smart pushing handle, you can manipulate the stretcher to any designed place. The backrest of the stretcher is adjusted by the spring in pneumatic way. And we have equipped 2 springs to support the backrest for the greater safety and stability. Also, we have put 2 angle indicators on both sides, so the angle of the backrest can be easily read. More important, we have X-ray cassette holder underneath the backrest. So the doctor, they can put X-ray cassette underneath the backrest. So the mobile C X-ray can take radioscopy on the stretcher. We have unique design for the footrest adjustment. It's by a spring. And it's not by manual crank, not like other stretcher. So it can be adjusted very easily. And the full length is X-ray translucent platform. Patient safety is a critical point when we design the stretcher. So we equip the stretcher with very strong and stubborn side rail. And the side rail can be folded up and down by the pulling buckle. And when you put it in the right position, you just push it and it can be locked automatically. Meanwhile, we reserved 4 holes on each side of the stretcher for fastening the belt. So when we face the patient who lost consciousness and a sidetrack patient, we can use the belt to fasten the patient for security. The base cover for the stretcher is designed not only for the beauty, but also as a useful platform for the storage of the patient belongings like shoes, and also we can put oxygen cylinder underneath.